Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this hair color, stay tuned. So I got this wig from Iseehair on AliExpress, and it took about 3 to 4 days to get to me. I wanted to tone the blonde to a color that would match me better, so I'm using the Revlon Color Silk in the color 75. Of course, I'm being pretty careful around the root, going down far enough with the color, just because I don't know exactly where I want the ombre to start, and having to go back in and color it is just such a hassle. Now, I left this on for about 10 minutes, and honestly, I was getting a little stressed because it had turned so dark so quickly, but I really could have and probably should have left it on a little bit longer. This is the color it came out to, which was a really good match for my skin tone. So the first color I'm going to be using is the Cinnamon from Kiss, and honestly, there's a million videos on how to water dye. I didn't do anything different from what most YouTubers do. I figured the water dye method would probably be the best to figure out where I should at least start the ombre. Usually when I water dye anyways, I go back in and hand color or hand dye the hair. So after I did the cinnamon, I followed that up with the dark warm brown, also by Kiss. And I didn't do the dark first because, again, I wasn't sure how far up I wanted the ombre to go, and I figured you could always, go darker if you make a mistake, but you can't really go lighter. So that's why I did the order that I did it in. Didn't shampoo the hair. I just rinsed out the product loosely, then blow dried it again so I could see where the ombre should be. And of course, I went back in and hand dyed everything and just, tried to blend the ombre in a little bit better. At the very tip, I used a black box dye that I had. I did let the color sit in overnight just because I wanted it to really penetrate the hair, and then in the morning I washed it out with neutralizing shampoo and then deep conditioned it for a few hours as well, just because we had the dye on there for so long. Now to install it, I'm going to be using the bald cap method per usual, just putting powder inside the wig as well. I can't get over how much this looks like scalp, plus this blonde is so nice. I feel like I should try a natural root to blonde wig now.
Scalp. Scalp.
Now I'm just using my handy dandy bold hold 2 layers just because I was going out. I usually only do 1, and the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. Just need to get some got-to-be spray, a scarf, and of course more powder to make it look more like your scalp.
Scalp, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Scalp.
I feel like the lighting made it look like the lace wasn't melted, but y'all, it was. And I'm really proud of it looking so natural. This was also the first time I didn't really do baby hairs, which I didn't think was going to work anyway because the hair is blonde. But I think I want to try doing this more often because it looks really good on your girl, okay? here is the final look, y'all. I'm obsessed. The color came out so good and it fits me so well. Again, the lighting is messing up this melt, but trust and believe that thing was down, okay? Down for the count. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if there's any other wig colors you'd like me to try. Now, obviously, I'm not a professional, but I do love playing with some color. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, thumbs this video up, and of course, share it with your friends, your family, your homegirl, your homeboy, whatever. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!